Night market, one of the most popular street food night market here in Taipei, Taiwan. Tinapay siya na na may palaman sa loob. May meat, tsaka scallions.
Abangan natin ilang gusto.
Finish. Very good. What do you call that? The bread? What do you call the bread? What's the name?
Yeah, alam.
Okay.
Kami naman music.
Okay. Sheshe.
Pero hit ng hit siya.
Ito naman po yung mga dried fruits dito sa Taiwan. Yung kiamoy or plum, mga champoy. Yan, iba-ibang klase. Kiwi, olive. At ito, iba-iba din klaseng mga leather. Mga belts. So, dito sa Rauhe Night Market, hindi lang po puro food ang mabibili natin, kundi meron din po mga ibang items, kagaya nito, mga lingerie. Ito, isa na namang food. Ito po ay noodles, parang hot pot noodles. And ang dami rin pong tao sa loob. So, mukhang masarap po ito. Marami pong gulay, maraming cabbage. Ito yung juicy chicken meat rolls. Ang isang piraso po ay 40 NTD, so mga 80 pesos. Ito naman po ay boneless pork ribs and crispy willow leaf fish. At katabi naman po niya ay nagtitinda ng mga sausages, black pork. So, parang native sausage, sausage which came from native pork. This is one of the famous food here, which is grilled squid na binuka nila, tapos nilagyan nila ng special sauce and spices. May nag-order po nitong suso or snails na ginigrill din. Kakaiba din siya. Sizzling snails. It's also 100 NTD per order. Braised pork at saka mga tuwalya ng baka. Yan. Kung gusto niyo ng free uric acid, ito na po. Mga laman loob. Noodles with pata or pork knuckle soup. Ano niluluto ang Taiwan? Tempura fish and shrimp rolls. The famous Taiwan grilled mushroom with different kind of seasoning and sauces. 100 NTD each order. These are clams which are sauteed in hot oil and garlic. In the Philippines, we call this halaan. These are clams.
Kaya malamig siya, no?
Oo.
No.
Oo. Masarap siguro to kasi pinipilahan. Parang squid ball. This is Taiwan's famous corn, which are grilled, and they put seasoning. Best seasoning nila. Grilled corn.
It's my menu.
What's the taste?
Barbecue sauce.
Ah, barbecue. O, yung bayaran mo na. Nagbayad ka na? Nagbayad ka na?
That's the woman.
So, flour siya na may laman na egg and minced meat, oysters, and shrimps. Parang umaambon.
Ma'am, magbubuga siya ng apoy. Video mo.
Wow! May flame exhibition po tayo dito ng beef. Wow! Instead of grilling it, pini-flame thrower. Ano kaya ang lasa nito? Walang ganito sa Philippines. Sa atin uling ang ginagamit dito, flame thrower. Tiyak marami pipila dito kasi makikita nila na may exhibition. Usually mga pakulo dito ng mga vendors, iniiba nila ang style of cooking para ma-entice yung mga customers to try. Kagaya kami. This is different, so we want to try. Only here in Taiwan. We got the 200 NTD. That is not spicy. So siguro to small, medium, large. Sa small lang po kami dahil baka hindi magustuhan. Sayang din naman. Wow. Tagal din lutuin. Flame. With a flamethrower beef. Ang laki ng atis. Lahat dito malalaki. Ang laki ng makopa. Oh, ginagawa nila siguro tong dessert. Kung gusto mo ng fruits. And they also have durian. Wow, dragon fruit, pineapple, and papaya, and guava.